Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can redeem codes on Project Slayer. So Project Slayer is a game on Roblox. In order to redeem codes, you want to first press on G or M, my apologies. You want to press on M. Once you press on M, you're going to be over here. From here, you just want to press on this book icon. Once you press on this book icon over here, as you can see codes, you just want to type your code here, whatever code you have, and then you just want to submit. And it says it's an invalid code because I don't have a valid code. So if you do have a valid code, all you want to do is type the code here and then submit the code, and that should be it. Other than that, that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.